Okay, so I'm gonna be getting this for summer. So while I'm talking, I'm just gonna listen you to music. So let me just type.
I'm tired and I wake up kinda cold. And I wake up kinda tired, but I just sleep in when I'm old. See, I don't like breaking rules, but I like doing as I'm told. So I just float around, put my head down and hope my life unfolds. And everybody's telling me that I'm doing so well. I try to trust them honestly, I find it hard to tell. If I need work or I need rest, to try my best, to try my best. Tell myself to say out loud, so I not figure it all out. I tend to forget I'm still only quite young. In a way, this life of mine has only just begun. I've got time.
Here's your water bottle.
I'm 2 days into college with a busy days ahead. That guy that we named Colin, he's so handsome, he's so kind. My friends tell me I'm crazy, say I'll take it way too far. Cause I told him that it's over, cause he doesn't play guitar. I'm only 2 days into college, and my bedroom is a mess. There's just so much that I want to do that I haven't done yet. There's just so much that I want to say, far too little. But my mind, you're so far away, it's easy to forget. Not to everybody else, it looks like I'm doing so well. I try to see it honestly, I find it hard to tell. I've done wrong, I've done right. I need a good night's sleep tonight. They said go out, I said alright. I think I won't, I maybe might. I probably should just take it slow. I'll be all good, but God, I know the one thing that's important above everything else is to learn not to put all this heavy pressure on myself. I try believe it when I say if it's meant to happen, it'll happen anyway. I'll be fine. I've got time. I've got
Let's see if there's a good spot if I saw everything.
to be honest, just 2 days. 2 days into college.
I'll show you a hack right now, guys. Okay, I'm done with the song. So let me just.
There's a lot of things I
Sorry, guys.
Nako, crunchy na.
Okay, let me just put your computer here. Then go to your backpack. See, ta-da! Your computer cannot be inside your backpack.
Pero gaano kayaman na ba si Rosemar na yun? Hindi lang pampaganda. Pero ngayon, mga resort, mansyon, bahay, tulog.
I'll just show you everything in the talk.
Rosemar, ang galing naman itong R pala.
That's my dad.
This is so nice. Rosemar. So, anong inspiration ito, Rosemar?
Kasi nabili ko po ganito na po siya para po siyang medyo parang royal chicken.
Parang, yes, parang Moroccan. Moroccan ang niya. Pero kailan ka naghiling sa paggawa ng mga resort?
Simula po kumikita na sa teacher, nag-compare na po kami ng mga property na may mga pool. So,
Oh my god, I love this.
So, why not i-open natin sa public? Nagkaroon po kami ng mga resort, then mura lang po yung parang namin para ma-afford na po yung quality. Maganda, pero
Gaano kalaki ang resort na ito?
ito po.
Okay, guys. So part 2 is comments. So, bye guys. Bye Turkistas. But first, make sure to like, subscribe, enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, enjoy the video. I hope you enjoy the video and make sure to like and subscribe. Toka Stars and bye.